नॉट दैट कि मैं भी आदित्य ढूंढ रही थी, मैं भी रणवीर ढूंढ रही थी.
How to apply for latent?
And then we'll go to the galleys also.
So $1,000,000 question people are asking. Do the judges know it beforehand?
The hate, I think, started coming the next day when the real woke people woke up. क्योंकि तब तक शायद सो रहे थे. अभी 11:30 बजे कौन जाग के गाली देगा.
पैसे आते हैं कि
यार ये कोविड में मर क्यों नहीं गई, ऐसा लिख रहे लोग. लाइक पीपल आर लाइक लिटरली सेइंग कि तुम्हें भी डिप्रेशन हो जाए, तुम्हारी बेटी को भी डिप्रेशन हो जाए, तुम्हारे पूरे खानदान को डिप्रेशन हो जाए. लाइक दीज आर द सम ऑफ द कमेंट्स फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर फाइटिंग फॉर डिप्रेशन.
चलो वेलकम बंटी जी, द सेंसेशन. लेटेंट का सेंसेशन हो आप. So actually guys, do you know if you search on Google Deepika, you end up with Bunty G. Much like what happened with my life.
अच्छा, just like it's not that कि मैं भी आदित्य ढूंढ रही थी, मैं भी रणवीर ढूंढ रही थी for the भूत in our house.
अभी भी बोल रही है क्या? I don't think she's
क्या
आंटी तो नहीं आ रही आजकल.
हाँ, आजकल आंटी नहीं आ रही है, बट द अदर डे यू वर इन बैंगलोर, तो अगेन उसे कुछ तो दिख रहा था. तो आई होप इट्स नथिंग. मेनी पीपल वर कंसर्न. बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि कुछ झाड़ फूक करवा लो, कुछ पंडित वंडित दिखा लो. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट दैट सीरियस गाइस.
I think she's playing with us.
Could be, she's very smart.
Cool. तो कैसा लग रहा है after receiving such overnight success with zero hard work?
हाँ. Zero hard work. I think I should say the same for you. क्योंकि परफॉर्म मैंने किया, गाली मैंने खाया और सक्सेस तो तुम्हें मिल गया. सो कोई भी ये नहीं बात कर रहा है कि यार कि इसने इतना एंटी फेमिनिस्ट जोक्स मारे. सब एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक रिच भैया अमीर भैया मिल गए हैं. अरे भाई सारा गाली खाओ मैं लेकिन फेम लेकर गए तुम. नाइस. How come?
But yeah, I mean, before the episode, we were more scared about my set.
Yeah.
So then I thought, no, our mine will be the more controversial one. We never even guessed कि तुम्हारा controversial हो जाएगा. But
thanks to Deepika fans, इतना controversial हो गया. नहीं तो I mean, we were just thinking of a good joke.
Yeah.
And not about the controversy. बट हो गया तो इट्स गुड.
मतलब इमेजिन ही नहीं किया था कि और भी इनफैक्ट तुमने अलग अलग जोक्स भी लिखे थे जो
कट गए. थैंक गॉड. थैंक्स टू समय रैना.
So anyway, so no, we thought she started getting a lot of offers for different podcasts and everything. तो हमें लगा कि भाई कौन कैसे एडिट कर देगा पता नहीं. तो फर्स्ट टाइम podcasting in our life, first time with all of this.
Yo.
So good, yeah. So let's start. I think a lot of things people want to know. So what we'll try to do is we'll cover, some of the questions that we have been getting. Latent कैसे apply करें, क्या होता है, कैसा होता है.
And then we'll go to the galleys also.
Yeah. So we'll also go to that, and want to sort of also talk about some of the controversial stuff. So let's get started. So I think the first thing is how to apply for latent. कैसे होता है latent के लिए?
So I think two things you can do. Either follow समय on Instagram and follow Habitat. दोनों ही अपने अपने स्टोरीज पे डालते हैं. गूगल फॉर्म का लिंक होता है where you have to fill it if you are applying for improv comedy or anything. If you are applying for a comedy or anything like that, you have to attach a video and try to answer the questions in a fun, interesting manner. I think now with the popularity बहुत लोग अप्लाई कर रहे होंगे.
क्या क्वेश्चंस क्या?
मुझे एग्जैक्टली तो याद नहीं है, बट व्हाट इज योर लेटेंट, आपको क्यों सिलेक्ट करे, हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट. आई थिंक बहुत लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. तो हाउ, व्हाट इज योर नीश, हाउ यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स एंड व्हाई आपको क्यों सिलेक्ट करे. आई थिंक that is something one should focus on.
No, that though I think when you were applying only, I was pretty confident because there aren't lot of women comedians in the country. There are a few like yeah, there are a few.
जाग गया इसका एंटी फेमिनिस्ट इसमें कोई जोक नहीं है। मुझे लगा था यार कि when my set will come people will sympathize with me कि इसको बच्चा हुआ, इसका पति यूरोप घूमने चले, कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है, नो एम्पैथी नो सिंपैथी, लोग उल्टा गाली दे रहे हैं कि एक मदर दूसरी मदर का कैसे ऐसा कर सकती है, बेइज्जती कर सकती है। Anyways,
But anyway, coming back,
Yeah.
so especially women comedian and plus motherhood and all of those things. So I thought it's pretty niche.
Yeah.
तो मुझे तो काफी confidence था कि तुम्हें तो बुलाएंगे. That's why I never applied my own. But got an opportunity, so good. तो
आपने जीरो हार्डवर्क का पूछा था ना? ये है जीरो हार्डवर्क एंड गेटिंग ऑल द फेम।
so yeah, so you applied, then what happened? Like how many days did it take to get any response from them? Did you need to follow up or anything?
No, I think I got a call on Saturday night or something like that, and the shoot was on Monday. तो बहुत कम टाइम था, and because the timing is very less, सिर्फ 90 seconds का रहता है, तो जो मैंने वीडियो भेजा था आई थिंक उसका ऑडियो वाज नॉट दैट क्लियर, तो मुझे वहाँ से कॉल आया कि आपका ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं है, आप अच्छे से करके भेजो, एंड देन 90 सेकेंड्स में कैसे करना है, एंड देन बहुत कम टाइम में जैसे हो सकता था टाइट स्क्रिप्ट लिख के प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया। मंडे ही था तो ऑफिस में छुट्टी लेना पड़ा, झूठ बोल सिक लीव मारकर, ये काट देना यार बाय द वे। तो ये छुट्टी लेकर गए एंड पता नहीं था कि लाइफ विल चेंज सो मच, बट इट वाज सच अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस। ऑनेस्टली जीतने का तो सोचा भी नहीं था, जस्ट बीइंग देयर ऑन द सेम स्टेज विद समय, तन्मय भट्ट वाज अ गेस्ट, आई मीन what
So you knew when they called you that who all will be the guest list?
yes तो वो बुक माई शो में तो मैं देखती रहती थी कि नेक्स्ट लेटेंट एपिसोड में कौन आ रहा है। सो इफ यू डोंट नो टिकट्स आते हैं विद इन मिनट्स सोल्ड आउट हो जाता है, तो फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई वाज ट्राइंग टू बुक अ टिकट एंड मुझे एज एन ऑडियंस एंड मुझे टिकट ही नहीं मिल रहा था। सो आई न्यू इन थ्रू बुक माई शो दैट द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में तन्मय भट्ट आ रहा है, एंड आई वाज रियली मैनिफेस्टिंग कि इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है, लाइक यू हैव समय, यू हैव तन्मय भट्ट एंड यू हैव रघुराम, आई मीन वाओ, एंड उसमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला। सो एज अ कॉमेडियन आई थिंक इट वाज अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू।
So then when did they sort of say okay you're selected?
So sat like I think the day I sent, I think in a day or two,
So everything happened in a span of 2-3 days?
Yes. Everything happened in a span of 2-3 days. You were not even there in Mumbai. You were in Bangalore. I filled the form and मैंने बहुत कुछ लिख दिया था उसमें and पता नहीं उनको क्या अच्छा लगा। तो सैटरडे को कॉल आया, मंडे को एपिसोड था, शूटिंग था उसका, and everything happened so fast we could not even realize.
Ticketing thing is crazy. People are like so I was obviously so like Aam Janta when so we both on the day of shoot we both went to the spot at Habitat and you know तुम्हें तो गेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट की तरह अच्छे से लेके गए, तुम मुझे आम जनता के साथ डाल दिया था। So then but you know on the ticketing front people are literally black में ऐसे bulk में लेके they black में ऐसे बेच रहे हैं। So they had a very strict policy that if you have bought the ticket, you know, we'll check your ID card. And you know so many people का बोले कि you know this looks fake. So craze तो मतलब I think even the audience ticket gets filled within few minutes.
Yeah, it got, I think the last one, even me and one of the other latent contestant, we have become very good friends now. We were thinking कि अभी जो next भारती का एपिसोड आने वाला था, तो हम लोग ये था कि यार भारती के एपिसोड में तो जाना ही जाना है, तो we were sitting there कि बुक करना है, अभी आएगा टिकट एंड हमें बुक करना है, and नहीं मिला because I think it was not even 2 minutes, within a minute or something by the time he called me कि बंटी जी आपका भी बुक करूँ क्या, हो गया। सब बुक हो चुका था, तो इट इज क्रेजी एंड आई डोंट थिंक वी बीन टू सो मेनी शोज, राइट, वी गो टू सो मेनी कॉमेडी शोज, कभी देखा नहीं कि 1.5-2 घंटे पहले से इतनी लंबी लाइन
Yeah.
लगती हो. So
I
participants
think our timing was some 6 o'clock or something. We reached at 4 and
4.
4 पे ही इतना
हाँ.
बड़ा लाइन लगा हुआ है. But yeah, I mean crazy.
आई थिंक पार्टिसिपेंट्स को 2 घंटे पहले बुलाए थे, ऑडियंस भी 3 घंटे पहले सब पहुंच गए जस्ट फॉर द क्रेज ऑफ द शो. So it was
But yeah, I mean
too good.
as I said, right, मेरे को सबके साथ फिर वो नीचे ऐसे भीड़ ऐसे इकट्ठा हो गया था. Then that organizer said, okay, अभी जाओ. Now it's on the 4th floor. सब ऐसे भाग रहे ताकि फ्रंट सीट मिले.
अच्छा, तो कोई लिफ्ट में नहीं, सब सीढ़ियों से भागे.
सीढ़ियों से भाग रहे हैं, तो सब सीढ़ियों से भाग के गए हम लोग, फिर जाके ऐसे सीट पकड़ रहे हैं. तो फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट ऑन द सेकंड रो. इवन दो
चलो तुम्हारा जिम जाना कुछ तो उसका काम.
No, but even though I was obviously one of the first guys to enter and and run and everything, but still I could only manage to the second row. But yeah, at least. But what did they do as soon as you entered? So before the show started.
So before the show started, I think some briefing and all happened. कैसे करना है? Then we scored ourselves. And so they told us कैसे कब स्टेज पे कब जाना है, टाइमर कैसे स्टार्ट होगा, कितना टाइमर, because they have a very strict 90 seconds का thing. So all of that briefing and all happened, and then we went into a contestant room. We were sitting in a contestant room, and then we saw Samay entering, Raghu entering, Tanmay Bhatt entering, Sid Warrior entering, all of them entering. So yeah, very good experience. Even contestant room was like very fun, too much fun. एक लोग आ रहे हैं, अरे यार रघु ने बहुत धोया. Tanmay.
So so you don't get to see other contestants' performance.
Yeah,
right?
we are not allowed.
Yeah, I was there, and some of them were like really. I don't know why they got selected.
So I think they have their own weird way of selecting. After all, India's got talent नहीं है ना, India's got latent, so it's a very hidden talent. क्या पता है समय.
No, but some of them were really bad. I'll tell you. मतलब वो आया एक तो मतलब बार में जैसे कोई डांस करता है ना, वैसे पी के डांस 90 मिनट किया, and then कुछ तो खराब से कमेंट मारते समय पे, और ये लोग बोल रहे भाई क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो, मतलब तुम्हारी इतना कॉमिक टाइमिंग है नहीं, तुम इतना स्मार्ट हो नहीं, तो ये लोग पूरा मार रहे उसको. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट पीपल थिंक यार. मतलब आई थिंक इवन इन रोडीज पीपल डू दिस कि वो लोग सोचते हैं कि मतलब मैं जाके कॉन्फ्रंट दीस गाइस, बट उनका उतना होता नहीं है in terms of their ability to do that. So that's what pisses off the judges a lot.
यार इन्हें भी सोचना चाहिए ना, तुम किसको रोस्ट कर रहे हो, स्वयं तुम्हारे सामने लेजेंडरी रोस्टर लोग बैठे हुए हैं, तो उन्हें ट्राई करो रोस्ट करने का. सो इवन इन द कंटेस्टेंट रूम वी वर डिस्कसिंग कि भाई थोड़ा ऐसा मत करना. 2-3 लोग तो बहुत थे कि हम तो जाएंगे, समय को रोस्ट करेंगे, रघु को बोले क्यों आए हो भाई.
Why would you do that? I mean, you just come as an applicant. Why would you want to do that?
I think समय का इमेज ऐसा है कि people feel so friendly with him that they think they can do whatever they want and they can roast him also. Maybe that could have happened.
So I think so then you came, and of course very out of the world experience. मुझे भी मतलब लगा नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा जाएगा. And then they called me also. I was also half prepared. तो ऐसा करके कुछ तो परफॉर्म किए, but they really liked even my performance. So they actually gave a standing ovation.
We got 2 standing ovations. I mean that's a lot.
That was good. So मतलब उस टाइम पे तो पूरा goosebumps वाला ही feeling था, and cherry on top of that you won. So seriously. So I want to ask, so 9 किस confidence से आपने?
यार मैं सच बताऊं तो मेरे साथ में जो बैठा था, he was like I was at least prepared. This guy was not prepared, nothing. He gave himself 9.5. मैंने सोचा था कि I'll give myself 8 or 8.5. इतना तो मुझे ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि मैं खुद को 9 दूं, पर मैं देख रहा हूँ 9.5 दे रहे. मैं बोले कि तुम क्या है सब मचाने वाले हो कि तुम खुद को 9.5 दे रहे हो. बोला अरे इसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है, यू नेवर नो, उन्हें मेरा क्या पसंद आ जाए। तो उसको देखकर मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया कि ये खुद को 9.5 दे सकता है तो मुझे 9 देना चाहिए। बट लकीली दैट वर्कड आउट, नहीं तो मैं खुद को 8 या 8.5 समवेयर वैसा ही कुछ देने वाली थी।
$1 million question people are asking. Do the judges know it beforehand?
I don't think they'll do that. They have all the amenities to know, but I don't think it is the USP of the show. So I don't think they will tamper with this, because if you see the winners over the episodes, it's very unpredictable. So you don't know who will really win. So I don't think so.
Yeah, even I think so. From the looks of what Raghu and Tanmay and
Yeah.
everyone were giving, they had no clue. In
Huh.
fact, I think they did not have a very good idea what the show is about. Because the first guy in your episode, right? He wasn't that bad.
Uh-huh.
But ये रघु ने उसका इतना मारा, I think he gave him a very bad score. He gave him some 2 or something.
2 or something.
Then over a period of time, Raghu is like, oh, I think I'm understanding this show. And I'm really sorry to that first guy that मैंने आपको इतना harsh ये दिया. So I think they don't have, and definitely I also think that they don't know
Yeah.
what the scores are.
वो आया बेचारा सेकंड पार्टिसिपेंट, जब वापस आया ना कंटेस्टेंट रूम में, बोलता है धोया धोया उस पर से बोला तेरे से अच्छा तो पहला वाला था, तो एक काम करिए 2 नूडल्स और लेके जाओ, उसको दे देना। ही वाज, आई डोंट नो, ही वाज मोर ऑफेंडेड कि उसे कम मार्क्स मिले थे या उसे कंपेयर कर रहे थे फर्स्ट वाले से। सो या इट वाज, yeah, as you said, I think that's right. Maybe they didn't know. So there is no way, I think, they would tamper the scores or even know about the scores.
On that day,
Huh.
after the show was over and you won,
Yeah.
right? They invited both of us to
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
green room,
Yeah.
and we went and met all of those guys.
Seriously, Balraj is such a true. I mean, people say that he's a gentleman, he's gentleman. We had a first-hand experience, and I think all of them are such gentlemen, seriously. And I think we also discussed about our kids'
Yeah.
play school.
We were talking about Montessori कौन सा अच्छा होता है, वो कहाँ भेजना चाहिए.
Can't believe, right? Balraj is like Habitat's owner. He is talking to us like a friend कि तुमने अपने बच्चे को कौन से स्कूल में डाला है, how are things going, is she talking, what is she doing. Oh my god, that was, we met his wife.
And what I did observe, and they say this about comedians, right? Like in real life, their life is very boring.
Whose?
Comedians.
My life is amazing.
So, मतलब in reality, I'm saying.
Talk for yourself. My life is awesome.
But in general, like it's like no thing, because like it's obviously an act, right? So it's like many things you don't mean and things like that. But what I found, Samay, like even off script, is damn funny.
Yeah, he's just like me.
So I think they shot with us for 3 hours.
Yeah.
They had another show जहाँ पे वो तलवार वाला जीता था. We had to rush. We were not there because we had a baby to take care. And another 3 hours. And the kind of energy they were able to maintain for 6 hours. True. It was like amazing.
Yeah, seriously, we just see the success of the people, but कितना hardworking भी है यार. They are successful. If I become that successful, I don't know I'll be that hardworking or not. But these people.
Some people also get success without.
No, but seriously, they are like smart, successful, and yet so hardworking. So seriously.
Yeah. So after that, you came and started building an Instagram account.
Yeah.
So what happened?
So I think I created my account one day before I went for the Latent show, and then I came back and I applied for multiple open mics, wrote a lot of sets, new sets, because I was like, once the show airs, then people will come visit the Instagram profile and उनको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो it's not good. So I started doing some open mics and got some, मुझे तभी से hate मिलना start हो गया. Luckily it prepared me for what was coming. So, and that was also very interesting because I went to comedy open mics, realized those are not so much fun. कभी एक ऑडियंस आता था, कभी दो ऑडियंस आता था, फिर मैं मिक्स ओपन माइक्स में जाने लगी जहाँ शायर लोग आते थे. So it was nice and fun. Met lot of people, made some great friends as well. Shayars are very nice people, by the way.
How do you compare the open mic scene between Mumbai and Bangalore? Because I know you've done a
Yeah,
lot in
yeah.
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore mein when I started, it was long back. I think 5-6 years back. That time it was very tough scene in Bangalore. So to go sit there for 3 hours for a 5 minute slot. So it was like first come first serve. You go there. So I used to finish my office, and it used to finish around 5:30, and I used to go to the spot, wait there for like from 5:30 to 8:30, or sometimes 9, get a 5 minute slot, perform, and come back. But those used to be free of cost. But उसमें ऐसा भी होता था कि usually it used to happen in a cafe जहाँ लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, तो they are not interested in your jokes really. But so I would say it's free, so a lot of people try. Very competitive in Bangalore as well, because there are a lot of talent, and a lot of college students also do it. Mumbai mein they're mostly paid open mics, so um, uh, so that is one difference. I don't think
Yeah, it's $100.
not $100.
150.
Look, the rich guy is talking. नहीं 200-300 कुछ ऐसा रहता है, whatever. But I'm just saying that वहाँ पे college वाले भी ज़्यादा perform करते हैं because it's free of cost, and usually it happens in around areas like Koramangala, Indiranagar, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे youngsters हैं, so they just घूम रहे फिर रहे आके open mic कर रहे हैं, ऐसा है. But मुंबई में I think it's more organized. They have I don't know, the Bangalore scene might have just changed. I did it 5 years back, but यहाँ पे तो it's more organized. There is someone like you pay and can get it recorded.
I felt it's the opportunities are lesser in Mumbai because of just the real estate situation here. There aren't many comedy houses as what I think. Like I remember, if I wanted to go and sort of on a Friday think that okay, Saturday I need to do an open mic, I can go to book my show, book one somewhere. It may not be the best of the places, but at least I'll get one in Bangalore. Mumbai, you have to plan 2 weeks in advance.
Or you can have contacts.
Yeah.
Or get famous. But Mumbai का एक चीज़ है कि you have opportunities of getting things recorded. So they have those facilities, those amenities. Though small places में होते हैं, but Mumbaikars, I think they are very smart. छोटे place को कैसे, how to make it that attractive so that it comes out really well. Like I remember I was doing an open mic and I went to the venue. I was hopeless. वो venue देख के इतना खराब venue, background काफी shabby background, and वो कैमरा भी देखने में पुराना सा लग रहा था. I don't know. So it was looking very shabby, but when the recording came, it came out really well. So even if it's a very small, I was like, where is the stage? कहाँ पे मुझे खड़े होना है? बोले यही है, इधर ही करना है आपको, कोई स्टेज वेज नहीं है. But the way it was shot, I think people are more, they have that vision कि कैसे किस एंगल से करना है, कैसे अच्छा लगेगा. They are more, and maybe because of all the social media boost, they are creating it in a way that Instagram पे आप डाल सको या social media पे डाल सको. So here I feel it's you are, at least for me, I'm saving time by not sitting for 3 hours and then getting a 5 minute slot, but rather I will get it beforehand, and I know I have a slot and I go and perform. So that works out for me, having a kid in the house.
It's very hard for sure. Like
Yeah.
open mics are very very difficult, yeah. And this is something people don't understand, right? Like writing a comedy set is so hard that it really is. And some of even the top comedians, they just keep repeating their set, the ones that they perform in shows.
Yeah.
And one of the very big comedian के show में मैं गया था, he said, very good, अभी आप आए हो. Don't come for the next 2 years.
Yeah.
So 2 years, he's saying don't come because you'll just hear the same thing.
Yeah.
And then he was saying ki, matlab, maybe 10% he'll change. So over a period of 2 years, and then now he has a completely different set.
Yeah.
But it's actually very very hard to write a good
Tight 1 hour set, I think, is tough. That's why I remember when I was starting my comedy journey 4-5 years back. So that time लोग ऐसे बोलते थे कि आपको 4-5 साल स्ट्रगल करना है. Then you prepare a 1 hour set. After doing it for 4-5 years, you finally come to a point where you have a 1 hour set where you can start doing a 1 hour show. So that time there were very few comedians. Kanan, Kenny, यही लोग famous थे और कोई famous था भी नहीं. And उनका first 1 hour I think had just come that time. So I was like, okay, काफी demotivating सा लग रहा है zone. But yeah, I think it's changing the whole comedy thing. People are liking it more. A lot of new comedians are coming. A lot of new shows are coming. A lot of new styles of comedy now. Roasting has become like mainstream. पहले तो roasting कहाँ होता था, इतना था भी नहीं.
Yeah, I mean, first they say the first they hate you, then they ignore you,
Yeah.
and then they can't
Yeah.
get over it. Good.
So this happened with me. There was one guy who was spreading hate on my content like anything. And this was before Latent. So I had done a open mic and मैंने उसका video डाला था. So this guy was like going and sending some hate comments on all my all the videos. हंसना था क्या? Then he put इससे अच्छा कॉमेडी तो मेरी काम वाली बैठे बैठे कर देती है. हाँ, तो मैं फिर उसका प्रोफाइल चेक की तो उसके एक ही फॉलोअर थे. तुम्हारी काम वाली फॉलो कर रही है क्या? You got more pissed off. Then he is like, मैंने तो सुना था कि स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस के दिल बहुत बड़े होते हैं. मैं बोले वाह बेटा, तुम लिखो तो इट्स फाइन. बिकॉज मैंने उसको रेस्पॉन्ड कर दिया, उसका ईगो हर्ट हो गया. Then he's like, मुझे लगा था कि you can take a joke, you're not able to, and ultimately we became friends. So that guy was later on, he started sending me, this is how you should maintain your profile, तब तुम्हें ज़्यादा followers आएंगे, ऐसे ऐसे settings करके रखो अपने profile में, ऐसे ऐसे comment कर.
भी हो सकता है, देखिए किसी का एक follower है अगर तो OTP मत देना.
नहीं. OTP नहीं. But yeah, as you said, sometimes haters also become like your fans. So that
Yeah, but the question is how many of the haters will you do हृदय परिवर्तन off?
Yeah.
Cool. तो पैसे आते हैं कि ऐसे ही है?
पैसा तो आता है,
आता है.
तुम्हें पता नहीं चलता है कि मेरे अकाउंट में आया.
Cool. तो उसके बाद कैसे था? So they want to come to the spicy aspects of the controversy. So,
Seriously.
What sort of messages you're getting?
So the episode aired pretty late, 11:30. 11:30, I think 11:30 or 11 p.m. and we slept.
You didn't?
No, I also slept. And then your friend, who is also a fellow creator on Instagram, he called me up. आपका शो आ गया, आप लोग सो रहे हैं, उठ जाओ. So then I woke up and I tried a lot to wake you up. But ये सर तो सोते ही रह गए. पूरा एपिसोड आ गया, but you kept sleeping. So I think when the episode aired, at least I got lot of only positive messages, a lot of good messages. YouTube पे भी when the episode was airing and everybody was just saying all good things. There were people who were messaging me from everywhere, all good stuffs, and the followers started increasing like crazy. The hate, I think, started coming the next day when the real woke people woke up. क्योंकि तब तक शायद सो रहे थे. अभी 11:30 बजे कौन जाग के गाली देगा. So that night I don't think it was like कोई ऐसा कुछ गाली दे रहा, but the excitement kept me awake. I think I was awake till 4 a.m. because too many messages, too many followers, and all good stuffs were coming. People are, is that really you, is that really you, how you never told us all of that. And then I finally woke you up कि अब तो उठ जाओ 4 अभी तक नहीं उठ. I woke you up and then I slept. I think I went to sleep. But yeah, so that day nothing happened.
That day, no, I think
That-
nothing.
all
I think,
good stuffs.
first 1-2 days, I think we didn't realize कि कुछ इसमें है.
हाँ.
Then your brother who is keeping the tab of everything.
Seriously.
वो बोलने लगा यार ये तो गलत डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, ये
हाँ.
तो एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था हमने. तो then yeah, मतलब totally unexpected. But what sorts of messages you're getting?
So lot of hate. I think there were two things. One was the Deepika Padukone wala joke. So where people are like, how can you compare to depression? आपने breakup वाला depression और postpartum depression को compare कर दिया. तो अभी भाई comedy टेड टॉक देने थोड़ी गई हो या फिर मैं मॉरल साइंस का क्लास लेने थोड़ी गई हूँ. इतना रिसर्च करके थोड़ी जा. एंड आई ऑल्सो नो बीइंग एजुकेटेड एंड बीइंग एन इंजीनियर. बाय द वे बहुत लोग मुझे जॉबलेस भी सोच रहे हैं, तो जस्ट लेट देम नो दैट आई एम एन इंजीनियर. अच्छा खासा जॉब वॉब करती हूँ, वो सिर्फ भैया के पैसे पे भैया के पैसे पे सब नहीं चल रहा भाई.
Most of it.
I've been working for the last 12 and a half years and so I understand कि दो डिप्रेशन को कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल आई वाज थिंकिंग वाज द जोक कि अभी ये जोक को अच्छा कैसे बनाया जाए, हाउ कैन आई मेक इट फनी. एंड आई मेजरली आई वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट कि postpartum is tough and and it is there is so many things that happens in postpartum that you forget about all the other pain that I don't think even I had a message in I just went there to have fun and wanted to talk about the postpartum pain because I'm a mother and I recently became a mother and I wanted to do jokes on that. क्या backfire हुआ रे भाई.
Yeah, I mean that's what I was telling, right? It's so hard to write the joke that if you put all these additional constraints कि तुमको इसको नहीं offend करना है, तुमको वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए, then we'll not have comedy.
Seriously.
So I mean, in fact, I called up one of my lawyer friends.
Okay.
And asked him कि यार ये इतना ऐसा चल रहा है, क्या करना है मुझे, मैं apology लिखवा दूँ उससे. So then he's like, see, which he very very beautifully put that how can you do comedy without taking this risk of hurting sensibilities. Always मतलब literally even मैं हाथी चींटी का joke अगर मारूँ ना, there is possibility that someone from animal rights can get offended.
Yeah.
अगर मैं ऐसे joke मारूँ कि एक दिन चींटी ने हाथी को कुचल दिया, so someone from elephant rights, elephant preservation team can come and say that, oh, how can you say that?
नहीं, चींटी रिजर्वेशन चींटी को कुचला है भाई.
नहीं, joke ये है कि चींटी ने हाथी को कुचल दिया. अच्छा, okay. So then they can come and tell कि भाई, do you know how many elephants get killed for their tusks? And you're making a joke out of it. Seriously. मतलब you always take that risk of hurting sensibilities, but the idea is, the joke, the worth of any joke is whether it made someone laugh or not. And majority of the people, whether it made them laugh or not. So that's it. There's no उसका कुछ आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं है. Like joke, that's it.
Yeah, and I see a lot of people who are like पहले तो they were fighting for a cause. पर अभी उन्हें भी कुछ लोग जो मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे थे वो रिस्पॉन्ड करने लगे, फाइटिंग फॉर अ कॉज, अभी जस्ट फाइटिंग, कोई कॉज वॉज है नहीं. ऐसा भी चल रहा है, आगे पीछे लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. आई सॉ समबडी इज लाइक यार ये कोविड में मर क्यों नहीं गई, ऐसा लिख रहे लोग. लाइक पीपल आर लाइक लिटरली सेइंग कि तुम्हें भी डिप्रेशन हो जाए, तुम्हारी बेटी को भी डिप्रेशन हो जाए, तुम्हारे पूरे खानदान को डिप्रेशन हो जाए. लाइक दीज आर द सम ऑफ द कमेंट्स फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर फाइटिंग फॉर डिप्रेशन. तुम्हारे खानदान में डिप्रेशन हो जाए एंड तुम कोविड में मर क्यों नहीं गए. अभी देखो मर नहीं गई तो भी बच गई, तो अभी तुम मरो. मतलब मरो मतलब मेरे जोक सुन के हंसो और मरो, वैसा नहीं. पता है इसको भी काट देना. इससे भी कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगा. नहीं,
much like sometimes how you fight with me.
Yeah. So it's like that only. I'm fighting with you, फिर भूल गई हो क्यों लड़ रहे हैं लड़ क्यों रहे स्टार्ट किस रीजन से हुआ था अभी 1 घंटा हो गया झगड़ा का अभी तो बोल भी नहीं सकते ना कि भूल गए कि क्यों लड़ रहे थे so but yeah that also happens. I think that's a part and parcel of life.
Yeah. So, in fact, one of my friend actually in support of you put a comment. तो उसको लोग बोल रहे हैं कि
Yeah.
तुम जैसे लोग इस सोसाइटी में जब तक है तो
Yeah.
सोसाइटी कभी अच्छा नहीं हो सकता बोल रहे भाई
Yeah. And there was one guy, I didn't know him, but he was like, I know you didn't mean this, right? You meant this. So he messaged me and I responded. Then he put out a big post, Bunty did not mean this, she meant this. फिर उससे इतना गाली पड़ा फिर बेचारा मुझे बंटी जी कुछ रेस्पॉन्ड करिए मैं अकेला कितना रेस्पॉन्ड करूं कितना गाली खाओ आप भी कुछ रेस्पॉन्ड करिए बोले भाई क्या चल रहा है मेरे
There's no end to that.
Yeah,
ना,
yeah.
मतलब तुम किसको पकड़ के करोगे
Yeah. I have a friend from Latent who also tried, putting some memes about all of this. उसे भी बहुत पड़ा. तो it's like a lot of people. मैं बोली तुम भी लपेटे में आ गए. So your friend also like we did a collab right on the. वो बेचारा क्रिकेट और he's a cricket influencer. उसके साथ आपने कोलैब किया हाँ कितना गाली पड़ा उससे भी गाली पड़ा है उसको बहुत गाली पड़ा है दो दैट वीडियो वेंट लाइक एंड द रीच वाज वेरी हाई बट वो मुझे मैसेज कर रहा है हेलो मैं बोली क्या हो गया गाली पड़ रहा है क्या तो बोलता है पहले भी पढ़ता था पर इतना नहीं मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही गाली पड़ रहा है
Yeah. As a devil's advocate, I want to say that just like comedians, they have a mic and a stage or whatever, right? Reach or whatever. They have whatever freedom to speak whatever they want. If someone has a laptop, internet, they have actually the freedom to write whatever they want. But don't make like personal attacks, गाली देना, personally जा के ऐसे, hate फैलाना. So that because you're not doing that, personally to anyone. In fact, I don't know, like I'm a big fan of Deepika Padukone, but who is your favorite actress?
आलिया भट्ट अभी क्या
तुमको पूरे रास्ते में समझा के आया दीपिका बोलना है
अरे सच बोलना है कि दीपिका बोलना है मतलब आई सी दीपिका इज ब्यूटीफुल आई मीन लुक वाइज शी इज ब्यूटीफुल बट आई लव आलिया भट्ट का एक्टिंग व्हाट कैन आई डू आई मीन लुक एट आलिया भट्ट वाओ आई मीन I can.
ठीक है.
But I loved Deepika's Chennai Express a lot. I watched it too many times. So, Meenamma, I love you, and I hope I did not. I did not hurt your sentiments. Absolutely, there is no intention to. I mean, kaha Deepika? Where are we? There is no way that we can even touch her in any way. Good. Hurting her sentiment.
You acknowledged.
Yeah, मैंने तो I have just started doing something and for me to even reach to 1/10 or 100th of where she has reached, it will take me a lot of time. But acting wise, I really love Alia and Kangana. I love them. So
let's react to some of the beautiful love messages you have received. So this is actually from a girl.
Yeah.
Okay? The Deepika depression comment was so pick me. Hope they picked you, girl. Nothing like seeing a woman invalidate another woman's struggle with mental health, blah blah blah. Hope the male validation was worth it.
I mean, क्या बोलूं? but honestly, see, male validation. Was I seeking male validation? No. So I don't know. क्या बोलूं?
So the next one is also from a girl. So did you do any analysis like are girls hating you more than boys or anything like that?
I didn't do that analysis. I don't want to do that analysis.
Instagram can give that analytics.
Yeah. But I don't want to do that analytics because it will really break my heart if it comes out कि women are hating me more than men, because I really feel the kind of content I started making about pregnancy, about motherhood, it was directed towards women. And because of one silly controversy, if women are hating me more, then yeah, it will break my heart.
So next one, she's saying, Congratulations, you have now actively contributed to all that is wrong in our society."
अरे भाई, मेरे बोलने से रॉन्ग हो रहा है क्या? मतलब व्हाट इज दिस? आई थिंक, don't you think it's about your jokes?
In fact, I haven't received any hate comment. I think
यार उधर इंस्टाग्राम में मेरा आईडी दिख रहा था ना, तो इसलिए दे डोंट, आई थिंक दे आर लुकिंग फॉर यू, सो आई डोंट
you have also put my videos out. And
Yeah.
it's pretty.
तो तुम,
People are like,
हाँ,
oh, so nice.
that's what happens, yeah, right? For women, अगर वो उसने कुछ बोल दिया गलत तो भाई गए, बट लड़कों का देखो सब यही बोल रहे हैं, अरे ये तो अमीर भैया है, ही इज रिच, ही इज रिच, दिस इज ट्रेंडिंग, ही इज रिच.
No, but I think even I have received. मतलब there's few forums जहाँ पे लोग वो लिख रहे, that insensitive man. वो 2 लाख के लिए अपने बेटी को भी नहीं छोड़ा.
हाँ.
Things like that. So,
I mean, seriously, people really think that the joke that you made, कि मेरी बेटी रोती रहती है कि अगर मैं उसे गोद में ना लूं तो वो रोती रहती है, they thought that's real. अरे भाई, how can that be real? और me showing a gun to you, उठ जाइए, can this be real? I mean, guys, come on. मतलब अभी जोक को भी अगर एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ रहा है तो फिर the joke is not a joke. The joke is on you. I mean.
No, I think एक बहुत एक फनी सा एक ने लिखा था, तुम क्या खा के बड़े हुए, वही मटर जो तुम्हारी दीदी ने छिल के दी. So sometimes it's there also.
How did your didi take the joke? By the way,
The didi, even for that matter, I'm sure our daughter also, she will see this and she'll have a good time.
Our daughter, like, she has great sense of humor. Abhi se she has such great sense of humor. You remember the other day she was shouting, कल रात को ना, hey kole kole. So she saw one of our reel and she's making fun. She has great sense of humor. So some people are like, I am sure your daughter will be ashamed of you when she grows up and watches this video. Nahi, she'll not be ashamed. She'll be very proud and she'll also laugh it like we do, and not make a big fuss out of it. But did you know how my parents reacted to it?
Yes.
The whole thing. My father was like, बेटा क्या कर दिया है, तो गाली बना. So they came to know from news.
Yeah.
उन्हें इंस्टाग्राम चलाना नहीं आता है, उन्हें फेसबुक, फोन ये सब आता नहीं है, उन्होंने देखा न्यूज, एंड न्यूज में देख के दे आर लाइक, बेटा तुमने क्या कर दिया, इतना गाली क्यों पड़ा. माय फादर वाज लाइक जेन्युइनली कंसर्न. माय मॉम इज लाइक, 3 बच्चे मेरे, बाकी 2 से तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, कम से कम तुम न्यूज में आई तो आई एम वेरी प्राउड. आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू. बड़ी वाली बेटी से तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, और ये भी छोटा बेटा भी कब क्या कुछ कर पाएगा, आई डोंट नो.
I don't understand how is this a news?
Yeah.
And the news articles goes like this, right? So Bharti Banerjee, comedian in Late Night Show, made a comment about blah blah blah. One Twitter user commented XYZ. Netizens are reacting XYZ. How is this a news?
Yeah, I think they're doing what we do, use ChatGPT. Like अगर हमें कोड लिखना है, you just put it in ChatGPT and कोड लिख के आ जाता है. I think that's what they're doing, just using some prompts. ChatGPT में डाल रहे, एक आर्टिकल आ रहा है, उसी को पोस्ट करा. I don't think कुछ. Have they done any research? Did they approach you or me? Did they even get to know why did I say what I said? Right? Did I really mean harm to someone? कुछ नहीं, no research. मेहनत करना ही नहीं है भाई, चैट जीपीटी में डालो प्रॉम्प्ट, आर्टिकल आ गया, पोस्ट करो. एंड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग, देयर इज दिस फाइनेंस का वेबसाइट, आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम. तो यूजुअली आई use that a lot whenever I'm trying to invest in share market or anything, because it's a finance ka website where you go and see which all stocks are doing good, which all mutual funds are doing. उसमें article Bharti energy box, Deepika. Like literally,
You might be must be the reason why the Nifty has gone down.
बताओ ये
2-3
फाइनेंस
days.
वेबसाइट हाउ इज दिस रेलिवेंट, हाउ इज दिस रेलिवेंट? कौन सा शेयर डाउन हो गया भाई, उनको डिप्रेशन हो गया है क्या? व्हाट नॉनसेंस, लाइक सीरियसली. न्यूज चैनल्स आई यूज्ड टू हियर दे आर नॉनसेंस, but now I know for sure what the kind of articles they have put. So many memes, memes wale creators on Instagram also. Like there was one creator, very famous one, they put a 12-page post on me. हर पोस्ट में इतना बड़ा मेरा फोटो एंड वन बैड हेट कमेंट. सो 12 पेजेस ऑन मी. इतना मेहनत क्यों किया भाई? कुछ क्रिएटिव कर लेते, थोड़ा मेहनत कर लेते. ठीक है, तुम्हें फॉलोअर्स बढ़ाने हैं, लाइक्स लाना है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. जस्ट बहती गंगा में हाथ धोया. But literally just putting my photo and one hate comment, one photo, one hate comment. I think this is the death of creativity. You can do better. I would suggest you can do better.
We'll do one last. So you have single-handedly killed humor and every comedic act on the planet.
कौन है पागल औरत?
I am so
औरत है?
I don't know. I'm so disappointed that society has failed as a whole in being able to teach you how to be funny. I don't know.
I'm speechless. Can you please repeat it? Because this woman has single-handedly killed my humor. If this is a woman.
All right. Great
Yeah.
conversation. Awesome.
Yo. कर लिया यार हमने podcast.
Peace
Yeah.
out.
Peace out.
Thanks.
A very happy new year, everyone. And to all those who got offended by my jokes in 2024, I just want to say this from the bottom of my heart. Please improve your sense of humor in 2025, because if you don't, you'll get offended more. Thank you and all the best for 2025.